News that covers absolutely nothing that matters.
Whatever. Anyways, people are still shooting fireworks, and July 4th was like a few days ago. It's so weird, and it's...
No, it's not. It's perfectly fine.
No, it's not. It's perfectly fine. No, no, no. I'm a Ben. I'm a stupid idiot.
Your impression of me sucks.
Whee! Hello, and welcome back to the Tom and Ben News. We will be continuing the story of how fireworks are still being shot, and I will be sharing why people should stop firing them because July 4th was a few days ago. Ben will help me.
You think I'm gonna help you with your stupid opinion, Tom? You're completely incorrect.
Explain why you think you're so correct, you idiot.
People have remaining fireworks because July 4th was like a few days ago.
Whee!
Seems like they're saying that fireworks should not be happening after July 4th on the news. Whoever makes these newspapers should stop being so incorrect all the time. It's always something that disagrees with me.
I don't have fireworks, but I have something else for Tom. Was that a fireworks, but I have something else for Tom. Nya, 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 nya. Was that a firework? Fireworks, but I have something else for Tom. Really? 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 Firework? What was that? Were those fireworks? Because if they were, I just needed cake to calm myself down, because that scared me. That must not have been fireworks. It was Ben! Said I'm going to make Tom think that I'm shooting him throwing fireworks. Didn't work. Didn't work. Fireworks up in the sky so I can scare him. Guess I'll go outside and watch the fireworks. Come on. Where's the fireworks? Wait a minute, wasn't that Pierre and Ben that were making fake fireworks? I'm gonna make them in so much trouble.
Ben?
Tom? What is he angry at me for now? Oh yeah, I was making fake fireworks to scare him. Well, I'm in trouble.
That was funny.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
I think Pierre's in trouble. I keep hearing him screaming.
But I'm done with getting revenge. I stand corrected. Okay, now that I'm done with getting revenge, what should I do? Get more revenge. Yep, I have to now.
Oh. Ben?
Guess I'm just doomed. I have to clean up that mess now. Yeah, I'm gonna read the newspaper. Not gonna do that. Not like I ever go back there anyways.